Hi you guys, welcome back to 10-Minute Maths. Right, today we're going to build on our previous sessions of sorting, and we're going to introduce number bonds within 5 using the part-whole method. So we're going to get 5 and we're going to break it into 2 groups to create our number bonds. Right, so here are some of the words that we're going to be using today. Add, equals, part and whole. And when I say the word whole, I don't mean like a hole that you dig in the ground. It's a hole where something is all together. So you might say the whole of your family or the whole class. It means all together. Right, so to join in today, you need 2 things. You need a part-whole frame, and this can be absolutely anything. You can draw one, you can use hoops, you can make it out of string, it's entirely up to you. But you need a whole with 2 parts. And then you'll need 5 objects. Right, so here we go with number bonds within 5. So, I've got some objects here. How many are there altogether? Right, let's count them just to check. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Right, what I'd like you to do now, can you sort them into 2 groups? What could we do? Yeah, excellent. Let's put all of the paintbrushes together and then the pencils. Well done. So you've sorted them into 2 groups. How could we sort these toys out? There might be more than one way to do it, so have a think. Yeah, let's put all of the colours together. So red one's this side and yellow one's this side. How else could we sort these toys out? Yeah, let's put all of the cars together and then all of the buses together. Well done. So that's really, really good because it's going to help us today when we're thinking about our number bonds. Right, Betty and Barney have got a plate of yummy cakes. Look at them. Oh. Right, how many cakes are there on the plate? Right, let's count them to check. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 cakes on the plate. Right, Betty and Barney want different cakes. Barney looks like he wants the pink ones, and Betty looks like she wants the chocolate ones. So we're going to give them out onto their plates. So let's start with Barney. He wants the pink ones. Can you help me count them out? There's 1, 2. Excellent. And then we're going to give the chocolate ones to Betty. Let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So Barney has got 2 cakes and Betty has got 3. Right, that's really good because already we're starting to think about number bonds and how we can break the 5 into 2 groups. So, we've got some more cakes here. How many cakes are there on the plate? Right, let's count them again. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 cakes again. Right, we're going to break them, so we're going to sort them into 2 groups again. How could we sort these ones? Yeah, there's one with a candle and the others don't have a candle. So let's put the one with the candle on this plate and then we're going to count the others onto the other plate. You ready? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, we've broken that 5 into 2 groups. So we've got 1, and we've got 4. Excellent. Right, so here's something new that we haven't seen before. It's called a part hole frame. So the circle at the top, that's what we call the hole. And as we said, it's not where we dig a hole in the ground. It's the hole, which means all together. So that's where we start with all of our objects. Then we've got another 2 circles, and they are called the parts, and they're connected to the hole. So when we add the parts together, they equal the whole. And today, as we're doing number bonds within 5, I'm going to put 5 counters at the top. So we're going to have 5 in our hole. If you've got your part hole frame, can you put your 5 counters in the hole now? And then you can follow along with me. Excellent. Right, so when we break the hole into 2 parts, it will give us our first number bond. So something add something equals 5. Our answer is always going to be 5 because that's our hole. Right, I'm going to put 1 in the left part, and then all of the other counters I'm going to put in the right part because we have to get rid of all of them. So let's count them in. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is our first number bond. We've got 1 and 4. But as a number sentence, we can say 1 add 4 equals 5. Right, let's have another go. So again, it's going to be something add something equals how many? 5, because that's our whole. We always start with 5. Right, I'm going to count 3 into the left part. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. What do I have to do with the remainder in the hole? Yeah, we have to put those in the right part. Are you ready? Let's count them in. So we've got 1, 2. So there we go again. You've just made another number bond within 5. So we've got 3 and 2. And as a number sentence, what would we say? Yeah, we'd say 3 add 2 equals 5. Excellent, well done. Right, so here's your challenge for today. Are you ready? Right, using 5 counters, can you find all the ways you can make 5 in the part whole method? So, here's a clue. There are 6 different ways to make 5. Can you find all of them? Then once you've done that, here is your greater depth challenge. So, using 5 counters, can you find all the ways to make 5 by breaking the whole into 3 parts? So I'm going to show you how to do this because you're going to need a different type of part hole frame. So, can you see now this one? We've still got the hole at the top with our 5 counters, but I've now got 3 parts. So, it's going to be something add something add something equals 5. So 3 parts. Are you ready? So I'm going to put 1 into this side, 1 into the middle part, and then the remainder I'm going to put in the final part. So let's count them in. There's 1, 2, 3. So this is a slightly different one now. So we've got 1 add 3 equals 5. And there's our number sentence. 1 add 3 equals 5. Right, have a good go at those challenges and let me know how you get on. I've got a quick idea for you. If you love to play games as well, then I love to play bowling. And what I do, I get 5 pins or just 5, anything to stand up, and then I roll the ball down and see how many I can knock down. So if I knock down 4, there'll be 1 left standing up, and there's a number bond. So I've got 4 add 1 equals 5. Have a go at that. Right, that's all we've got time for, guys, but make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.